Hello folks, so in this video I wanted to talk about how you can order say EatClub food on say other apps. It's a pretty straightforward process, but I just wanted to talk about what are some things to note, right? I'm especially looking at things like can you schedule orders? For example, you cannot schedule orders on say other apps. For example, on say I'm actually using the Ola app now, the Ola ONDC food app to order food at WeFit, which is actually part of the EatClub. So I'll take only WeFit as an example because I regularly order at WeFit. So on EatClub app. So instead of ordering on EatClub app, what is the advantage of putting it on say something like say Ola ONDC food, right? So currently you can actually see that Ola ONDC provides a discount on like 50% discount on the food cost. So if it's say 216, you can actually get it for 108. But of course there will be other charges like packaging charge which EatClub doesn't have, and it will not have delivery charge though. I don't know for how long this is there for though. For now they have a 50% discount. I think the discount code is called 50 food, and instead of paying say 224 or whatever which I usually pay or something like that, I'll pay only 150, right? So yeah, I mean that's that. And then what else? So you actually get to use the Ola's delivery partners and whatnot. And if Ola's delivery partner, I have heard that if they cancel or something, they'll still actually send you through, I think, Magic Pin through Porter. Magic Pin is another, I think, ONDC thing, and they send it through Porter delivery partner. Even EatClub is starting to use, I think, Dunzo instead of their own stuff. I don't know. Like I'm starting to see Dunzo messages saying EatClub is sending through Dunzo and whatnot. And let's actually look at say something like Swiggy. Let's say I'm trying to actually get this WeFit food on Swiggy. I can't again schedule. I can only choose where I can actually put the order to, but I can't choose when. In EatClub I can actually choose what is the slot, but interestingly, for example, today they had a shortage of food and I couldn't get the food that I wanted at say, even though I scheduled the order at like in the morning some 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. I had scheduled the order for 12 p.m., 3 p.m. and the 3 p.m. order they said at 2 o'clock or something, 2 p.m. they said they can't deliver because of shortage of food. So it's a bit sad because I generally pre-order, schedule order, because it's hard to get the order at that time, like immediately order and get it on demand, because usually it's sold out or the restaurant is closed, it says closed or it says sold out and whatnot, right? But what is the advantage of putting it on say Ola and all? You get the offers. Similar to that, even for Swiggy you get offers of Swiggy, but of course you will miss out on the offers of EatClub. It depends on the platform, right, what offers you get and whatnot. And yeah, I mean Ola, you will miss out if you are on Ola ONDC app, then you can't get the schedule order. Even though the restaurant provides it, I don't know how it works. The restaurant has the feature, EatClub has the feature. It's possible that they are not providing the feature for Ola and Swiggy and Zomato. Even on Zomato, this is schedule order is not there, or they provide it, but Zomato, Swiggy don't support it. I don't know what is the idea. And also I don't know, in Ola it's like ONDC stuff, so I don't know how they support it. For example, yesterday I was looking at Ola's stuff and Ola's food app, and I was looking at the daily kitchen. And interestingly, I couldn't customize my order, right? But actually customization is present. I thought ONDC probably doesn't have that feature or something, but it is present. And I think there was a bug yesterday. I don't know if it's like Ola side or probably EatClub side, the daily kitchen side, wherein I couldn't say something like do I want fulka, or do I want ghee fulkas, or do I want parathas, or do I want rice, right? So the customization option, instead it was just saying add one, that's all, no customization, right? So yeah, I mean you just have to understand like those differences and stuff, but most probably customization should be available hereafter. Only if it's a bug, it should not be. So in Ola and I think I've not tried out the Swiggy and Zomato, but it should be available. I think the restaurant has it available. You can even see it in the description of the food item. So yeah, but scheduling is not available on Ola, Swiggy, and Zomato either because say EatClub is not providing it, or Swiggy, Ola, and Zomato don't provide it. But Zomato does have scheduling for Zomato every day, which is their own thing. But for others, I doubt it. And the one thing to notice, yeah, like about offers, whatever platform you're on, you'll get offers of that. And but yeah, the platforms can be really bad also. For example, one thing that I noticed is, let's say I come out and let's say I order. I come out and then I click this, and I'm gonna look for some restaurant. Let's say I actually recently searched for this, so right, WeFit. I click this. Okay, this time it says actually it found the restaurant. The last time it actually said nothing matches. I was like, what? I didn't even type this whole thing, right? This is based on what I had chosen before. So, and when I actually chose the recent thing, it actually said it's not okay. Actually, I chose this, I think. This was also not typed by me. It was already there. Looks like they changed the name from this to this. So now if I type this, now if I type the old name, it doesn't come up, of course. But it's not like I typed it out. I just clicked the name. So they should have actually stored the ID of the restaurant or something, and then shown a new name and whatnot, or at least shown that this name got renamed or something. Anyways, so this is not something that I typed. So you can see, I clicked this. It's like a big name that automatically got populated in the recent search because I had chosen it based on a previous search result. So that's that. And now you just see that there is no matches and whatnot. But like any place you search for example, say daily kitchen, I choose this. Now it will actually, I didn't type it out completely, right? Now if I go back and I don't know, if I click this again, it doesn't come up. Wait, let me type daily and then kitchen and actually choose this also, right? So this time I chose it. Now I come out and it actually shows this, right? So I didn't type out daily kitchen completely at all, right? So this is also part of EatClub, and yeah, you get all the offers that you get there, I guess. In fact, you don't even need a EatClub membership and you still get 40% off and all, like through Try New and whatnot that Swiggy has. And the cost is still low, I think, here also. You can check it out. And on Zomato also you have no scheduling option. So you can actually see the whole thing, and you will need gold, for example, to actually save save on deliveries, right? So but there is nowhere you can actually say that I want it in like so I want it be delivered after some time and whatnot. You can't do that over here, right? So that's that. And what else? So the other thing to note is, if you say choose the WeFit protein bowl and all that, you can actually see the different locations that it does not deliver to. So it's like almost everything. So except the one that is really really close to me, which is the Ejipura one. Interestingly, Zomato shows a different list. When I look at the thing, it doesn't show me Ejipura as one thing. Like Ejipura is not even in this list, is it? Funnily, you can't even search through this list, the list that is big list that is there. But you can look through all of them. So Yelanka and then KR-Puram and whatnot. So all of these, of course, don't deliver. Ejipura is not even in this list, I think, for some reason, I don't know. And these are actually a bit far away, but it delivers, right? And the chosen one over here is Hosur Road one, and you can get it, right? You can actually search through, of course, the food over here, and yeah, you can just say something like, say, I was looking for the herb grilled chicken boneless. So that's that. And then what else? I was going to tell one more thing. Oh yeah, in Swiggy, so you can actually see again what it delivers to and all that, right? But here, interestingly, Ola shows all the names though. It doesn't show just the ones that deliver to you. For example, if I type WeFit, here Swiggy, like Ola is not storing what I actually searched for before. That's unfortunate. And then when you type WeFit and look for restaurants, interestingly, if you just type V, it won't show up anything. Let's say WEF. But if you type WeFit, it will show up. And it will show all the restaurants, but some of them are like closed. You can click them though, you can see it's closed. And it will actually show you more restaurants than what Swiggy and others showed, as if they are all available, but they don't actually tell you if it's going to deliver to your location or not, right? It'll just say how much time it will take and whatnot. And let's say you choose something, for example, say I don't know, like grilled chicken, grilled protein. Let me choose, say, herb grilled boneless, which is available. And if I choose this, it'll actually say only over here that restaurant does not deliver to this address, right? So either you change your address or you change the restaurant. And of course, there is no way to choose what is the time and all. And so you again go back to browse restaurants, or you can actually do something like just go back and choose something else. So in my case, even Forum Mall doesn't work out. I think only Ejipura works out. Weird though, because Forum Mall is close by, but I think they have a different radius to cater to and deliver. So if I go here also and say I take up the let me type it out over here, right? The herb chicken. So you can do a search here also, so it's a good thing. So you can replace, because I was choosing from another place. So if you can see here, it will again says location is not serviceable and whatnot, right? So that is one annoying thing. You should know if it's EatClub and similar apps where they have a cloud kitchen, and they have a cloud kitchen in multiple places. You need to know exactly which one will actually service you. In my case, only the Ejipura one services me. So I need to choose that and then choose this. And sometimes, I don't know, for some reason they actually show, for example, this one shows items that are not available. For some reason there is some bug either on Ola side or the EatClub side where they're not showing the right thing. Like now you can see it's not available, right? So now let me actually add say something over here, herb, and let me add the herb grilled boneless, right? And view the cart. Interestingly, this one of them is not available. So if I remove them, like if I do retry, of course it won't work because it's actually not available. I know that. So if I just remove this one of them, I think it should be available, and you should be able to see that it's all good. You can actually deliver. So it will just weirdly doesn't choose the workplace automatically, or it doesn't. In this case, it shows. This is true for even EatClub app. I don't know, it's weird. Or it doesn't choose what I've already chosen. If in EatClub I've chosen work multiple times and they don't automatically choose it for me first. Maybe they don't want to assume that you want it in the same place. Good, it has pros and cons, but yeah. And you can actually see that 289 becomes 216, which is what you usually get. And you can see, and 216, like you can actually see that in EatClub, you have to have the EatClub membership to get it for 216 actually, or 202 something. So one moment, let me show it to you. So WeFit, and here you can actually choose the outlet in EatClub. In EatClub app, it will automatically choose it for you based on what location you have put. So in Zomato, at least in some cases, they might multiple outlets might cater to you. In Swiggy, it only showed one. In Zomato, it showed two outlets like Hosur and something. But in EatClub, Swiggy and Ola, I think only one of them will cater to you and serve you, or so does it seem. In EatClub, surely only one. You can't choose which outlet you're getting served from. Some outlets might have the stuff that you want, some outlets might not. It might be sold out or closed and whatnot. So now here, let's say it's sold out, yes, but you can actually see. Let me just do a search, right? Recent search, interesting. So you can actually see that it's actually 202 rupees, and if I do continue, it will show 216 rupees, right? And 216 rupees, and you can actually see that you don't have packaging charges because EatClub membership, you don't have delivery charge and all, and you have a discount. You do have GST though, which is 14 rupees, right? Which is what gets converted here as 216 rupees again over here, right? So you get, even if you don't have EatClub membership, you can go to Ola and you can get this for 216 rupees, right? And the best thing is you can actually get 50% discount automatically. It is automatically applied, and you can actually see that out of this, so this 50% is only on the food cost. So 218 divided by 2, 108 is gone. But there will still be like cost for packaging, 30 bucks, which is the same over here, I think. You can see over here it's 29, and then delivery is what do you say, 34. So here also you can see delivery is 35, packaging is 30, and here you can see packaging is 29 and then delivery is 34, right? So and the tax and all that, and then the coupon discount, and finally you pay only 150 instead of just 216 with an EatClub membership in EatClub app. In Ola, you don't even need the EatClub membership and you still get the discount, at least for now. I don't know for how long WeFit and other brands in EatClub will provide this, and for how long this is there, but for as long as it's there, you can actually use it. I've already placed this order, so I'm not going to place it now. So yeah, I mean, you can actually check out and use even the Ola ONDC food app or Swiggy, Zomato for ordering on EatClub, and I've told you the different pros, cons, and things to look out for. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, I am just starting to use say Ola ONDC food app. I have to try and understand the experience and the support and all that you get. In EatClub, the support is good enough. In Swiggy, Zomato, I think it's really good, but I don't know in these cases like how it is. Interestingly, I think in Swiggy and all, you have if you look at delivery instructions, they say just provide the delivery instructions to the restaurant directly after placing the order and all. And but yeah, you can't do schedule order and all. And I think Zomato also, I don't know like how it is like. I don't know. But in Zomato you can say don't send cutlery and all that, but I don't know how if and how WeFit obeys it and respects that idea and all that. And yeah, I mean, about cooking requests, however, EatClub does not take them, I think. I'll show that to you. And what else? I think I've covered it all. And yeah, I mean, one advantage you will get from Zomato, Swiggy is that you will get the delivery partners of Zomato and Swiggy, which can be fast and all that. But you can't, as of now, order on demand, like order for later. You can only order on demand. You can't schedule order for later. For example, here I can actually schedule order for different times, and this also includes like till midnight, till 2 a.m. But I don't know how good they are, right? So yeah, I mean, that's all I had for this video, and I think I'll see you on the next one. I don't think I have anything. Oh yeah, I just wanted to show you the FAQ. Let me just show that, and also show you that how my order got cancelled. One moment. Yeah, so the order that got cancelled, this is the one. It said it is actually a scheduled order, but it got cancelled. It says we had to cancel your order, and it actually told me extra information outside. For example, over here, not over here. Okay, I'll check it out. But yeah, it got cancelled. It was a scheduled order. What else? I think that's it. Oh yeah, help and support. You can actually see that. Wait, not this one. Let's say we go with this one, right? Say track now or something, or like. One moment. I think I need to get a call. Hey folks, I'm back. So I just wanted to show that EatClub has some FAQs wherein they talk about them not taking up delivery. So you can see over here that they do not accept requests to modify the food taste and all, extra spicy and all that. And you can call delivery rider directly and all that for delivery instructions. And they can't modify order and all, so they don't take instructions. So I doubt they'll take any instructions even if you order through Swiggy or Zomato, so or Ola, ONDC and all, right? So yeah, I mean, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.